This is the pattern we're making today. It is new look and the number is 6362, and we are making this one with the buttons on the front, short sleeve, all done for you. A little instruction in there, so don't go away just yet. I have news for you. I have instructions. I have tips and tricks for you. So hang around. Hey everyone, I'm just sewing a top, getting ready for my next Fashion Friday. Gray. Here I'm just putting the front facing on. Yep. Already did all my cutting and all of that already. So just putting it together now. Yeah. I know it's been a while. But it's a new year. I have a lot of things going on. And there's a lot of personal stuff going on, so I had to take a little time off, but I'm getting my schedule together for this week, for this month actually, so that I won't be missing on the YouTube streets. Yeah. Can't have my peeps missing me. Yeah, seems like a long way, but this is the front going around the neck of the top. Let me see. I have the pattern here. Things have been kind of getting away from me. But yeah, just removing the pins as I go so I don't have a problem with the needle. Yep. A little ways in. And then using the interfacing on this one. It's perfect personal preference. And yeah. For this particular garment anyway, because it is soft, I want it to remain soft. So I did not use any interfacing. The fabric is actually like a lightweight gray suiting, which, you know, is something, it's a great weight for the summer time here in Florida. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing here. And yeah, so basically this video is basically a sew along, just something to get you guys interested, see, you know, what I'm doing. And the back stitch here, make that stitch hold. Machine will cut it. And then, yep, so now I need to go and, well, I'm going to pull it for now, but yeah, I need to clip my round edges. It's a semi-V front. It's kind of rounded at the closure at the front. And then, of course, at the shoulders where you have curves, you need to clip those as well. Get some pattern pieces out of here. And yep, a rounded front. I'm gonna clip those, and it'll help it to lay flatter on the front. Let's see, I just missed this right here, and this neck. Yeah, okay. So we got that done. So I'll just stretch it a little bit, you know, to push the seam out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stitch it down close to the, on the facing side. I'm going to make a stitch right close here, and that'll keep it from rolling. So I'll do that, and I will be back. Okay, guys, so I'm back. I did a lot more than just the facing. The facing actually took like most of my time to do. So right now I have done the set in for the sleeves, which, bring this a little bit closer. I do a little running stitch to you know, pull in the excess curve before I actually sew it in. So what I'm putting in the second sleeve now, and then I will go ahead and sew up the side, and then we'll be ready to do the finishing touches like the buttonholes. And I'll probably just show you one of those. You don't need to see 5 buttonholes being made. It's the same process. But yeah, I'm setting in the sleeve so that I can sew up the sides, and then I'll be almost finished with this. And yeah, of course, I'm going to model it at the end. And yeah, do some different options. And yeah, then this Fashion Friday video will be ready to go. Yeah. Always back stitch at the end of your seams. Machine cuts the thread for me. And then of course I cut the tail off. And I can remove this stitch once I'm sure everything looks good on the other side. Yeah. Yeah, you'll have a few of these, but sometimes when you can just take your finger and touch them. They don't make that much difference. Sometimes when you iron it, they kind of smooth out. It doesn't form a puff or anything. It's just a way to ease the fullness at the top of the sleeve here. So now I'm going to put this together, and always open my seams on both sides, and I start by pinning it right here so that I know they are going to match, and then I'll continue to pin this just to hold it together while I feed it through the machine. This is a short sleeve top. It is a new look pattern, and let's see, it's new look pattern, and it is number 6362. You can want easier number than that to remember. 6362. And yeah, it's view D, which is the button front view. So if you want to take a look it up, it's not a brand new pattern. I have such a collection. I try not to buy more because, as you know, fashion just goes around in a circle. Everything they're doing, up to even up to the platform shoes that they're wearing now, I used to wear those when I was in high school. So don't think it's new. It's nothing new. Fashion goes around in a circle. And if this is not your taste, it's okay. Thank you for your support. And you can always refer someone else that you think might like my fashion. You know, I try to keep it simple, not into a bunch of, fad stuff. And I won't say I'm not interested in fad, but there's just some things I know they're not for me. So I don't make them for me. Some people will wear anything that's not me. So that said, I'm going to go ahead and complete this, and then we'll get ready to make the buttonholes once I have this all done. Again, thank you for watching. Please watch the advertisements at the beginning and the end. Please leave a comment at the end of the video. Please leave a comment in the comment section, and I will respond. I do respond to everyone. And then I'll see you for the fashion modeling of this item shortly. Thank you. See you in a minute.